SOS, she's in disguise. There's a she-wolf in disguise. Coming out, coming out, coming out. Domesticated girl, that's all you ask of me. Darling, it is no joke, this is the plan for me. Wounds awake now, with eyes wide open. My body is craving, so feed the hungry. I've been devoting myself to you Monday to Monday and Friday to Friday. Not getting enough retribution or decent incentives to keep me at it. I'm starting to feel just a little abused, like a coffee machine in an office. So I'm gonna go somewhere cozy to get me a lover and tell you about it. She-wolf in the closet, open up and set her free. There's a she-wolf in your closet, let it out so it can breathe. Sitting across the bar, staring right at her face. It's going well so far, she's gonna get her way. Eternal creatures are not so prudent. Moon's my teacher, and I'm her student. Don't give a single man like I own me a special rating. On the fire department hotline in case I get in trouble later. Not looking for cute little divas or rich city guys, I just want to enjoy. I happen with every good time and behave very bad in the arms of a boy. There's a she-wolf in the closet.